Hey, I'm Steve Gallant, and today we're going to talk about screen recording on the ClearTouch Interactive panel using EasiCapture. EasiCapture is a very simple included program that's going to allow you to record everything you do on the ClearTouch panel, whether it's preparing a lesson for your class or just recording a quick meeting or training session in the conference room. To get started, we're just going to launch EasiCapture from the taskbar, and then we're greeted with a few different options. So to start, I'm just going to go ahead and hit record. And now I see a few more options down in the bottom corner to help us get set up for the recording. So I'd have the option to record the full screen like we're doing here, but I can also choose a custom area if I just want to record something specific on the screen. I also have the ability to tie in a web camera or any other USB camera into my recording as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the camera button to tie in my webcam. And as you can see, this is going to show a preview of that camera down in the bottom left-hand corner. If I want to rearrange that, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the image, and then I'm greeted with an adjustment box. So I'm going to scale the size a little bit and then move this to the top corner. So once I have everything set up, all I have to do is mash the red record button, and that's going to give me a quick countdown. And now I'm free to record everything we're doing on the screen. I can go out to different programs or out to a website or anything like that as well. So whether we're taking notes or just doing anything on the ClearTouch panel, this is going to start to record that for us. When it's time to stop the recording, I'm going to go back out to the desktop, and then I'm going to select the icon from the taskbar again. So I'm going to select the icon, and now in the bottom right-hand corner, I see the option to pause and stop the recording. So I'm going to go ahead and hit stop.
And now I'm free to record everything we're doing on the screen. I can go out to different programs or...
So as you can see, that generates a preview for me instantly. If I'm happy with that one recording and I don't require any other editing, I can simply hit the record button in the bottom corner, and that's just going to pull up the system file menu to be able to save this as an MP4 file, which I can then very easily upload to YouTube or up to my Google Drive to be able to send out to anyone that I need to. If I want to dive in a little bit deeper and do some editing, I also have an entire built-in line editor for EasiCapture. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the edit button. And as you can see, this is going to pull up the edit screen, and everything has really been designed with touch in mind. So I have my video clips across the top. If I had recorded multiple, then I would be able to import some of those other videos. But I'm just going to drag this one video down into the timeline. You can place it on any track and then line it up where I need to. And I have a couple different options for editing. So I can either adjust the length of the clip using the blade tool. I can drag the playhead wherever I need to, and then simply hit the snip button. And that's going to go ahead and snip the clip wherever I need that. But I also have the option to add a whole other range of tools. So across to the right, you're going to see the options for transitions, being able to zoom into a specific area of the video, and then also being able to add text. So if I want to, I could maybe say this is for lesson 1. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to drag this down into the timeline as well, and now I have some text that I can place on top of the screen. So once I'm done with my edits, however I wish to edit the video, again, there's a very simple button in the top right-hand corner to go ahead and export the file. So when I hit export, again, I'm greeted with that system file manager, and I can save it with any file name in that MP4 file format. So this is just a very easy and simple way to record anything that you're doing on the ClearTouch panel with EasiCapture.